Hey, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. So we're going to be installing the clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder on David's Jeep Cherokee XJ, what year?
96.
1996. So we're going to take the old system out, put the new system in. This is the one with the external slave cylinder. The internal slave cylinder is a pain. I did one of those on my 92. You have to take the transmission out to get to the internal slave cylinder. So this is a much better system. Let's get to it. So we have already started by unbolting the old master cylinder here. There we go, there's the bottom bolt down there. Didn't we take the bottom bolt out, but the top one we had to get from the cab?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, the bottom bolt on that we already took out from under the hood. The top bolt you gotta go underneath. David took the seat out. You don't have to take the seat out. And down by the clutch pedal. You're going to remove the other nut and that little pin from right there where the clutch pedal attaches to the push rod. And underneath the Jeep, down by the transmission, the bell housing, this is the external slave cylinder I was talking about. Super nice system. Much prefer this one over the internal. And this push rod there just sits inside the bell housing there. Comes off with 2 bolts. Super easy. We're going to pull that out and get the new system in. So this line here goes behind the brake booster, and it's such a tight fit back there and weaved down through the firewall there. We're actually just going to drain it from underneath and cut the line to get the old system out. Yep, master cylinder looks dry. That was actually pretty slick. Hopefully it just pulls right out now. We're wrecking things, pulling stuff out, but making progress.
Good.
Getting brake fluid all over my shop. All right, we've got David's master cylinder and slave cylinder all bled. If you guys haven't seen that video, we have an awesome method. What's it called? Reverse bleeding?
Reverse bleeding.
Reverse bleeding. It's an amazing thing. Go check that out. All right, it's all bled. Let's install it. Start out by feeding the slave cylinder down under the brake booster, under the steering wheel linkage, steering column linkage. And because this is all bled, I'm just kind of keeping this upright, keeping it up above the slave cylinder. It's much better. We got the clutch pedal hooked up. And we will hook the slave cylinder into the back of the bell housing with the 2 bolts. Leave that nylon strap in place. It breaks loose the first time you push the clutch down. Now a couple of zip ties to keep the cord out of the way. So clutch installation is completely done. New master cylinder, slave cylinder, clutch, pressure plate, throw-out bearing, pilot bearing. We did all kinds of stuff. So what do you, yeah, everything. What do you say we take it for a test drive?
Let's do it.
How's the clutch feel?
Pedal feels good.
It drives! Yay!
There we go.
Yay, it works! So, clutch installation is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.
See you later.